Let's catch up with Brett, a senior from Mount Laurel, New Jersey, who combined an automotive high-performance degree with a business degree at UNOH, future-proofing his career. With industry-driven programs like hybrid electric vehicle technology, UNOH is preparing students for tomorrow's jobs today. Brett, you're up.
Thanks, Alex, and hello, everyone. I'm a senior here at the University of Northwestern Ohio, and I'm also the head engine builder on the school's motorsport team. I've always had an interest in racing, and UNOH has helped me turn that into my soon-to-be career. Being on the UNOH motorsport team has provided me with so many great opportunities to meet friends, learn, and grow into an adult. I did not have any previous knowledge on automobiles or race cars, and now I'm the head engine builder of our team. This is why I chose UNOH and why UNOH has been nothing short of perfect for me. There are so many degrees offered here that are in high demand in today's world, such as hybrid electric vehicles, automotive technology, and robotics. Some other programs include HVAC, construction equipment, logistics and supply chain, and many more. Classes go in depth on the material and teach you how to fix real-world problems. With only 20 students in a class, I get one-on-one attention from the instructors and learn how to tackle problems head-on with my hands. They do not teach you what to think, they teach you how to think about solving the problem. After I finished my automotive and high-performance degree, I decided to pursue my bachelor's degree in business at UNOH. I believe that having extra knowledge about marketing and good business practices, along with a technical degree, gears me towards promotion opportunities and hopefully opening up my own shop one day. Transferring to UNOH is the best decision that I've ever made. All of the experiences, knowledge, and opportunities that UNOH offers makes it all worth it. I can firmly say that UNOH has prepared me for my future career, especially in the racing industry. Shifting gears back to you, Alex.
Brett, your experience shows that a UNOH education isn't just about today. It's about building a future-ready career. Students can take a tech-focused two-year degree and turn it into a business-focused bachelor's degree. Flexible paths towards your educational goals prepare graduates for rewarding career opportunities. Thank you for showing us how to shift into success, Brett. That was great.